Okay, Edreams Odigo was formed in 2015 through the merger of Edreams and Odigo. It was headquartered in Barcelona, Spain. It operates brands including Edreams, Opolo, Travelink, Liligo, and it acts as an online travel agency, an OTA, facilitating flight, hotel, and package bookings globally. It has partners with over 650 airlines and 1.4 million hotels. The overview and impact of COVID 19. Pre COVID 19, they booked over 50 million flights and 90 million hotel room nights annually. It is an asset light business model with no owned assets and highly variable cost structure. COVID 19 greatly impacted global travel demand. However, flexible cost base has provided advantages to weather downturns versus competitors. Today's presentation, we will provide a recap of the pre-COVID business performance, a review of the adaptations made during pandemic, an outlook as travel demand expected to gradually recover.
So we're now going to be analyzing the key points about eDreams Odikio's target pricing strategy. So what is a target pricing strategy? It is a pricing strategy that focuses on setting a price point for a product or service that will appeal to customers and still provide a reasonable profit for the business. So the first key point is the dynamic or algorithmic pricing, which is like most online travel agencies, eDream Odikio uses sophisticated algorithms and huge datasets to dynamically adjust prices in real time based on factors like date, destination, seats availability, and competitor prices, which is going to allow them to optimize the revenue. The other one is yield management, which is a pricing strategy geared towards demand and supply with the goal of maximizing revenues at the right time and price. In this case, the company practiced sophisticated yield management techniques to balance generating the highest possible fares while still encouraging early bookings. And prices tend to rise as the travel date approaches if seats remain. The other one is ancillary fees, which means that in addition to core flight and hotel prices, eDream Odikios generated additional revenues from booking fees, luggage or seat selection fees, travel insurance upsells, etc., which is going to help boost the average order value. The other one is flexible discounts. eDreams uses targeted discounts, promo codes, and loyalty rewards to fill slower periods and attract repeat customers. And these promos tend to increase significantly for last minute travels. Then, price parity. With price parity, the platform aims to offer competitive prices relative to other major online travel agencies and travel suppliers to attract customers. However, they don't necessarily aim to offer the absolute lowest prices on every single route. And the last one is profit maximization, which at the end of the day, eDreams dynamic pricing algorithms are optimized for profitability and revenue management rather than merely undercutting competitors on every route.
Lifecycle costing. Development and implementation costs. The initial investment in developing the online platform, software, and infrastructure required to operate a travel agency service. Operational costs are the ongoing costs associated with running the business, such as marketing, customer service, IT maintenance, and administrative expenses. Maintenance costs are the cost of updating and maintaining the online platform, as well as any ongoing technical support and software licensing fees. Transaction cost. eDreams would take into account transaction processing fees, including those for credit cards, payments, and currency conversion. Customer acquisition and retention costs. These involve the expenses related to acquiring new customers through marketing and advertising campaigns, as well as retaining existing customers through loyalty programs and customer relationship management activities. Finally, disposable costs. While eDreams doesn't have physical products to dispose of, they may incur costs associated with discontinuing certain services or platforms, as well as any legal or regulatory obligations related to data privacy and security. By considering these various costs throughout the life cycle of its services, eDreams can make more informed decisions about prices, resource allocation, and strategic planning to optimize profitability and sustainability.
To see the strengths of Edreams in the market, we need to say that their subscription method is one of the most innovative in the market. They have done this for the past couple of years, and it has proven to be really successful. Also, they have a really variable cost structure, which they have more of their 85% of their cost being variable. This sums up to 456.4 million euro. Now, other important numbers is that as of 2023, the eDreams has a net income loss of 43.3 million euro. But with this new subscription method, they have been able to gain 4.3 million Prime new members. These Prime new members pay a fee, and this is the new cost structure that they are managing. So since they have a regular cash flow, an inflow of these millions of Prime members, they have done in this diversification a revenue of 386.4 million euro, going up 37% since 2022. That was only 281 million euro. So they're really improving in their strengths, and they are doing this new and innovative methods in order to increase their numbers and be the number one OTA in the market.
Okay, so now let's talk about the impact of m-commerce and online business with eDreams. So basically, m-commerce is the mobile commerce, and it increases accessibility and convenience for the client. Nowadays, we control almost every single aspect of our lives with the mobile phone. So having the possibility to book from flights to hotels within the phone makes it much more convenient for the client. This transforms into much higher sales, which transforms into higher revenue, basically. It also makes easier for the customer to buy and personalizes the user experience, making it a better customer experience in the end. This is a very good bet for the company, the m-commerce, because it is shifting towards an increase in the use of mobile phones for buying hotels and flights. So betting on this is a really good strategy for eDreams, and relying on the online commerce is also a really good strategy for eDreams. Basically, this also produces a much higher payment flexibility. You can pay much more easily, which transduces again into higher sales and higher.
Final as a presentation, I would like to highlight some key points about eDreams. eDreams during COVID was one of the best performing OTAs in the market, since they were able to recover really quickly and to expect further returns going toward 2024. Also, with their target pricing strategies, they have been able to really take all of the new revenues they have been having and getting into the customers they want to. As well, the importance of the life cycle costing inside eDreams cost cost structure is really important, since they have been providing to their pricing all of the costs related since the beginning of the platform, and all of the costs of maintaining it. And in this way, they have been able to outperform their competitors. Also, it's really important to say their Prime subscriptions, since as we have told you in the presentation, they are the only ones in the market doing these Prime subscriptions, and they are gaining a lot of money by doing this, not only for the actual the actual selling of tickets and hotels inside of the OTA, but also of the Prime subscription fees. And being an OTA, they have been able to get out into the world and and to have less of their marketing expenses than a normal travel agency could have. Also, they've been able to go further into other markets, being now in over 30 countries and working with over 700 airlines and more than 1 million hotels. So this is really important for them in order to keep growing and going into 2024 with greater expectations.